Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. I am in the kitchen and I'm going to make a nice, easy summer weekday meal. I've marinated some chicken, and just some chicken thighs that with a little bit of Italian dressing. That's something you can do today for today. So this is an easy meal that I'm going to make a different type of salad with. And that salad is a feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers, along with a little bit of watermelon. So I'm going to go out to my garden. I'm gonna put my apron on, take you out to my garden, my herb garden, and we're going to get some mint and some basil to make the dressing. So come on with me and let's get to cooking. I'm going to harvest some basil and some mint from my herb garden. And you see my herb garden is a very small garden on my deck because we live on the lake and we have a lot of trees in our yard, which sucks up all the nutrients out of the soil and doesn't allow for a lot of sun. So I do most of my gardening on the top of my deck, which consists of the herb garden. So let's rinse this off so we can get it cut up. I'm going to chiffonade these herbs, which means I'm going to cut them into really skinny strips so that they can easily be incorporated into the dressing. So what I'll do is I'll take all of them up in my hand and roll them into like a little cigarette, and then cut those into really thin strips. I'm going to cut about 2 tablespoons of basil, and then 1 tablespoon of mint. If you don't have fresh herbs, the dry herbs will do. It will still taste just as good. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt, which will equal about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half, depending on your taste. I'm going to taste this again after I get the oil and the vinegar mixed up. And we're simply making a balsamic vinaigrette. This is balsamic vinegar that I'm putting about 1/4 of a cup in, and then I'll add a 1/2 cup of olive oil. Okay, the whisking is done. Now let me grab a spoon and give it a taste. And yes, it tastes delicious. So we're going to move forward. Now I'll play some good music while I chop up cucumber, red tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, and my watermelon. Now we'll add our feta cheese, and I'm going to add this, see how much it is there, and then I'll add more to taste. Now our salad is all done. That is a super simple salad and it tastes delicious. Now I'm going to get my chicken on the grill. Okay, the chicken is done. Let's go ahead and serve our plate. So my low-carb plate is done, and the children and Memaw had spaghetti noodles with a little butter on them for their plate. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I thank you so much for watching, for commenting and subscribing. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. We'd love to have you over here at Memaw's house. Give this recipe a try, and y'all be blessed. Bye.